Locomotive breath. Once the all-time loser, headlong to his death. Oh, it feels the piston screaming, steam breaking on his brow. Oh, try hold the handle, and the train it won't stop going. No, it could slow down. Jumping up, station one by one. His husband and his best friend in bed and having fun. And he's falling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Old Charlie hold the handle, and the train it won't stop going. No, it could slow down. The silence howling, crashing engines as they fall, and the old-time winner has gone in by the balls. Oh, the days of Gideon's Bible, over at stage one. Thank God, behold the Bible, and the train it won't stop going. No, it could slow down. No way to slow down. No way to slow down. No way to slow down.